How to print a PDF on your MacBook. So first step is to open your Finder, and we want to find the PDF which you want to print. And now you can open the PDF and in the top menu bar click on File and go to the bottom and find Print. And here is the preset how it will be printed. Make sure to set up your printer. I don't have any right now, but if you have your printer connected via Bluetooth, you can set here copies. Here are some presets, or you can rotate your PDF. Then simply click on print, and this is how you can print a PDF on your MacBook. If you want a shortcut for this, select the PDF and press on your keyboard Command plus the letter P, and it will automatically open you the printer, but you have to set up your printer to your MacBook. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.